Y'all see that? Now, I'm just gonna be real with you. I'm gonna say it because I know a lot of y'all probably thinking it and you don't want to say it. Why that look like human being barbecue? Now, a lot of people probably gonna be like, oh, no, that's not what it is. That's not what it is. That's not what it is. You know, that's this. Please tell me what animal you know that's made like that. Now, I'm not saying that's what it is. I'm just saying what everybody thinking. I want to know what that is. Now, I've been seeing that going around for some months now. And I'm like, I don't know what to say about it. A lot of y'all told me to watch the movie Soylent Green, okay? Watch the movie Soylent Green. I watched that movie. There's been a lot of talk about cannibalism. All right, I get that. Y'all, it's sad. It's sad because I honestly don't know what it is, but I know what it looks like. Okay? And I'm going to be honest. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. You know? But I want to know what y'all think it is. I done told you what it looked like to me. But I could be wrong. Okay? I don't want to say that's what it is. I'm just saying that's what it looked like to me. And I know half of y'all thinking that. But at the end of the day, you can't put nothing past what people would do if they desperate. We done talked so many times about having yourself well put together where you don't have to do something strange for a little piece of food. You know what I'm saying? Do something strange for a little piece of change. What movie was that? The Day? I think on All About the Benjamins. I think that might have been it. You shouldn't have to have. You got some people that's very, very sad in the mind that will have food and stuff and make you go do some of the most crazy things just to give you something, and they may not even give you anything. So having yourself put together before you have to, and we done talked about this. We talked about what's the movie I was talking about, Alive. That movie, I did see that movie a long time ago. You don't have to resort into, you don't want to have to get yourself to where you gotta, I couldn't do it. But seeing stuff like that, now they know when they put that up there, people was gonna think what it is. Look, if it looked like a duck, quack like a duck, walk like a duck, it's a duck. In that case, it ain't doing none of that, but it looked like human. So why can't people say that's what it is? Please tell me what animal you know looks like that. It's sad, y'all. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad. Okay? It's sad. So, y'all in the comments, I know y'all gonna do it. I know you're gonna do it. I know you're gonna do it. A lot of people probably gonna be like, "Oh, it's fake. It's this, it." Look. You see what I see. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. A lot of y'all probably done seen this. A lot of y'all probably haven't seen this. I know I had been seeing it. I just hadn't said nothing, okay? But now I'm just wondering. Because y'all opening my eyes to a whole lot of stuff, okay? Now I'm just wondering. Tell me what y'all think about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And let me just say this. Because I know somebody gonna say it. Well, you shouldn't be playing about it. I'm not playing about it. But dang, we can't live our life. We can't live our life with everything going on, being so daggone sick, we got to smile. You know, smiling and laughing is good for the soul. Smiling and laughing will keep you from doing some things that, because people will take you there. So don't say I add a little flavor to my stuff when it's very sad. That is very sad if it's what I think it is. Okay? So don't come at me, because y'all be looking for some of y'all be looking for a little petty stuff to come at me about. Oh, you shouldn't laugh at that. Oh, whatever. Shut up. Do you see me laughing? Like, come on. What they say, you gotta laugh to keep from crying. All right? Anybody that know me know I'm not like that. Okay? So, just wanted to say that. Y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will, okay? Bye.